Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months from the time that you watch this video. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen helps you connect with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see the energies coming to me, especially if I have a major decision to make. I'm amazed with the accuracy and the clarity that I get from my favorite advisor. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen because as a new customer, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Taurus, let's see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ng ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount extended hanggang March 31, 2024. Ang link ay nasa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyong mag-book. Okay, Taurus, let's see changes in the next 6 months. Uy, meron kayong patatawarin. So, in the next 6 months, napaka-importante ng oras sa inyo. Hindi kayo magsasayang ng oras at panahon. Magiging very productive kayo and collaborative. So, you will be working with some people, pwedeng sa trabaho to, sa business, or yung mga projects mo. No? Projects mo sa bahay, pag-aayos ng kusina, pag-aayos ng bahay, no? Meron kang mga projects dyan na gagawin kasi gusto mo kapaki-pakinabang ang bawat oras at panahon in the next 6 months. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, meron kayong hihilumin na issue nyo with someone. Pwedeng romantic partner, kaibigan, kamag-anak, para mag-uusap, no? Mag-uusap tapos magkakapatawaran. So, finally, hindi na kayo mag-iisnaban, mag-uusap na kayo. So, kung sino man to na nakaaway nyo or makakaaway nyo in the next 6 months, eventually, maayos nyo rin naman yan. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito is yung mga childhood trauma na you are not dealing with, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo pinapansin. So, you are going to heal your inner child in the next 6 months. You have Neptune, dreams. So, mas magiging malakas ang iyong imagination ngayon in the next 6 months. Marami kang mga ideas, marami kang mga plano na gusto mong isakatuparan for your future or for your family. And also, yung instinct mo, very much on point, no? Yung gut feel mo. So, maganda dyan is kumbaga lalo mong palakasin, no, yung iyong instinct, yung inyong intuition, yung tipong alam mo agad, no, na there's something wrong or ito'y makakabuti para sa'yo. So, use that to your advantage. Gamitin mo yan sa pagninegosyo mo or sa mga taong pipiliin mo na maging parte ng buhay mo in the next 6 months. So, this is also energy ng mother. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong naging issue sa relationship nyo sa isang parent, especially sa inyong nanay, no? So, sa inyong mother, maaring yun yung aayusin nyo. Pwede rin naman kayo yung mother, tapos meron kayong issue with your child na aayusin nyo. Grabe, double moon. Very much emotional ang next 6 months for you, Taurus. Oo. Heightened emotions ito. So, yung iba, maaring mas magiging, mas lalakas yung inyong psychic abilities. Oo. Yung tipong alam mo na what is going on. Kaya parang medyo, mahirap na may magsinungaling sa inyo kasi alam nyo agad kung nagsasabi ba ng totoo. And also, I see you being devoted, no? Devoted sa oras ninyo, sa panahon ninyo. Kumbaga, hindi nyo sasayangin yung panahon nyo, yung energy nyo at effort nyo sa mga walang kapararakang bagay. Oo. Mas magiging productive kayo. You have the energy ng lion, so this is karma. Reaping what you have sown. So, kumbaga, kung ano yung tinanim mo, yun yung aanihin mo in the next 6 months. And this is also about justice, no? So, kung merong mga taong nanlamang sa'yo or merong nag-take advantage sa'yo or meron kang may mga taong nanloko sa'yo, no? For some reasons, makakakuha ka na ng justice na dinideserve mo. Yung iba, kakarmahin na sila. Oo. At maswerte ka kung makikita mo pa yan na kinakarma sila. But of course, no? Lahat naman yan lessons to learn. So, maaaring matututunan ng leksyon ng taong yon kung sino man yung gumawa ng pagkakamali sa'yo. Okay? Matututo na siya. 5 of Swords. Meron talagang gustong manlamang sa'yo or may sense of competition within you, around you. So, pwedeng mga katrabaho mo to. Pwede rin sa family, no? Nagko-competition kung sinong mas magaling, kung sino mas mayaman, kung sino ang mas successful. But I think you will be focusing more on yourself. Diba? Page of Wands. Sa sarili mong journey, ikaw nakafocus. So, meron ditong self-discovery. You have the energy ng devil. Ooh. Capricorn energy. May success. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong success sa mga sisimulan yung ventures o business, ganyan, or trabaho. Some of you, maaring meron kayong i-let go na, unhealthy habits. Kung meron dito na merong bisyo, na alam nyo hindi nakakabuti sa inyong pag-unlad, i-let go nyo na yan. There's also an energy of obsession. So, actually, yung obsession, maganda siya kapag, sa mga goals mo, na tipong obsessed ka na ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. So, syempre, you will do anything and everything para matupad mo yun. But definitely, merong rewards dito with the 6 of Wands. You will be rewarded sa mga nabigyan mo ng effort. Yung iba sa inyo, merong level of fame, no? Meron ditong sisikat or mas magiging sikat pa kayo in the public eye. You also have the 7 of Cups and the 3 of Pentacles. So, yung iba sa inyo pagdating sa career, pwedeng maraming options na magiging available para sa inyo to the point na medyo malilito ka kung alin dyan, no? Ang pipiliin mo. So, that's why, dito na papasok yung energy ng moon, which is your psychic abilities and your instinct na gamitin mo yan, yung instinct mo para mapili mo kung alin yung best for you. Kasi eventually, you will choose the best possible decision na magbibigay sa iyo ng growth. Lalo na sa career, no? Or sa business. Siyempre, maraming options, no? Maraming pwedeng pagpilian. Minsan, nako-confuse tayo. Sabi nga ng iba mas okay na yan kaysa wala kang choice. Oo, 'di ba? Kasi pag wala kang choice, yun na talaga yung kukunin mo. Pero dito, minsan naman, pag maraming choices, nahililito ka kasi gusto mo, hindi ka, magkakamali sa pipiliin mo. So, your instinct is on point. Tutulungan ka ng iyong higher self na pumili ng best for you. Okay, so that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.